Hello everybody, I am Dr. Gene Neos. Gene Neos. Professor or Dr. Gene Neos. It is great to see you, all agents, successfully complete your mission. Now, what to do with all of this stuff? This is how you make a satellite dish at home using whatever materials around you. Very important when you're on the job and you need to contact the base. Now, to begin, you will need these materials from your mission. 1. A pencil, sharpened. 2. A pair of scissors, also sharp. Be careful. A roll of tape, if you have it. It is very helpful. 3 AA batteries. Very helpful. Some rubber bands. Different colors are great, but also the normal brown is fine. Some string or yarn. 3 paper plates. You can also use discs of cardboard. Any circular paper object will do. You will also need a trophy. I could not find one, so you could also use a plastic bottle. To begin, use the sharpened pencil to poke a hole in each of the 3 pieces of paper, cardboard, or paper plates. Just like this. I see you. Next, you want to tape your pencil to your plastic bottle or trophy. Remember to tape the pointy side, allow the eraser to stick out. Like so. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put a rubber band on the pencil, followed by a disc, and then a rubber band, and then a disc, and a rubber band, and a disc. In that order. The rubber bands go between the discs. Wrap it around several times like so. You could also use tape if you do not have rubber bands. You see, the rubber bands hold the disc in place. Like so. You could even use some tape on top to reinforce it. Now you want to take your 3 AA batteries, either a rubber band or some tape, and strap them together. Like so. Now take some string and cut 3 pieces about the length of your arm. Tape 2 of the strings behind your satellite dish. Now, you have 2 ends of that and the end of another string. Attach one of the ends, going from your satellite dish, to the battery, and tape that to the other string that you have not used yet. Like so. Facing that line from the top, it goes all the way down to the battery and back around to the bottom to create a loop. Pull that taut and carefully wind the middle, like so, and tape that and the battery to the base, the middle area of your soda bottle or trophy, like so. Now, take your satellite dish, point it towards the window, sit it next to your desk, and take that last top string that we have not worked yet and tape it to your computer or other device that you are using. Like so. And that's really all there is to it. Now, since we have all created these satellites, we should be able to increase our capacity 30-fold so that we will be able to infiltrate any messages, which will hopefully give us a clue to the whereabouts of codename the Lunch Lady. Also, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.